And then eventually, as we read Acts 16, verse 1 to 5, makita natin na kasama na niya si Timothy, they traveled from town to town. Kung saan-saan sila mga napadpad. At sa bawat mga napuntahan nila, they were able to do what? They were able to strengthen the churches. The churches were strengthened in the faith as Paul, together with his disciple Timothy, was going from town to town. And then again, may resulta pa yun. Ang resulta nun, and the churches grew daily in numbers. Lumalago ang lahat ng kanilang mga napupuntahan. Kaya pwede mo talagang masasabi na maganda yung nangyayari kay Paul. Maganda yung nangyayari kay Paul at kay Timothy in terms of their life and their ministry. And I could only just imagine na ang iniisip lagi nila, tulad ng mga nababanggit natin din lagi, ay, the best is yet to come. Kadalasan nga, nasasabi natin yan pag katapusan ng taon, papunta to the new year. We thank the Lord for the previous year, but we're so excited for the coming year. And madalas sinasabi natin yun, naniniwala ako, pero the best is yet to come. Hindi man nabanggit dyan, but I could only just imagine, siguro ganun din yung attitude ni Paul nung mga panahon na yun. Ang ganda na nung nangyayari, at pwedeng nananampalataya at nananalig siya na mas gaganda pa ang mga susunod pang mga mangyayari. In fact, they wanted to go to this place and go to this place in order to continue the wonderful things that were happening in their lives.